Today we're diving into the OpenRock e-air conduction earbuds. And honestly, I'm pretty excited about this. They're positioned as an entry-level open-ear option, but they pack some seriously impressive features. This is my completely honest, hands-on review, where I'll cover everything from unboxing to real-world testing. We're talking design, comfort, sound quality, battery life, and whether these are actually worth your money. So stick around till the end, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and updates. The OpenRock E comes in pretty minimalist packaging. Nothing fancy, but it's clean and functional. Inside the box, you get the earbuds themselves, a compact pebble-shaped charging case, and the usual quick start guide. No Type-C cable and extra ear tips here because, well, these don't actually go in your ears. Now let me tell you my first impressions. These things are light. I mean, seriously light. Each earbud weighs just 4 grams and 43 grams including the case. That's lighter than most wireless earbuds on the market. The charging case has this nice glossy finish with a textured grip, and it's super pocket friendly. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where open-ear earbuds really stand out. Unlike traditional earbuds that go inside your ear canal, the OpenRock E features a clip-on, wrap-around design with silicone ear hooks. They literally just hang on your ear without blocking your ear canal at all. And you know what? After wearing these for several days, working out, walking around, even just working at my desk, I completely forgot I was wearing them. There's zero ear fatigue, no pressure, and your ears don't get hot and sweaty like with in-ear buds. If you've ever had discomfort from silicone tips or that weird plucked up feeling, these completely eliminate that problem. The ear hooks are adjustable and made from memory titanium, so they mold to your ear shape. I tested these during runs, lifting barbells at the gym, and they stayed put the entire time. No adjusting needed. The build quality feels solid despite how lightweight they are. They've got an IPX4 rating, which means they can handle sweat and light rain without any issues. Perfect for workouts. Here's where things get interesting. The OpenRock E uses air conduction technology, which is different from both traditional earbuds and bone conduction. Basically, there's a speaker that sits just above your ear canal and projects sound directly into your ear using the LiSO Light algorithm. The goal is to give you decent sound quality while still letting you hear your surroundings. So how does it actually sound? Well, let's set expectations first. These are not going to compete with high-end audiophile earbuds or noise-canceling options. But for what they are, budget open-ear earbuds, I'm genuinely impressed. Let's now put it in action for your reference. The soundstage is surprisingly open and airy, which makes sense given the design. Where these fall short, like most open-ear designs, is in the bass department. It's there, but it's definitely softer and less punchy than sealed-in earbuds. If you're a bass head who loves those heavy drops, you might be disappointed. But for workouts, running, or casual listening, the sound is more than adequate. One thing I really appreciate is that at moderate volumes, there's minimal sound leakage. People near you won't really hear what you're listening to unless you crank it up really high. You can also customize the EQ through the OpenRock app, which is a nice touch for a budget option. The app is pretty straightforward, no complicated menus, just basic controls and EQ adjustments. You've got some handy gesture controls built in, double tap to play or pause your music and answer calls, triple tap to skip back to the previous track, and 4 taps to activate your voice assistant. Want to adjust the volume? Just touch and hold. There's even a Find My Buds feature that lets you ring the earbuds if you've misplaced them somewhere around the house, which has honestly saved me a few times already. Battery life is where the OpenRock E really shines for the price. You get up to 7 hours of continuous playback on a single charge, and the charging case provides additional charges for a total of around 28 hours. That's impressive for earbuds at this price point. Fast charging is supported via USB-C, and you can get about an hour of playback from just a 10-minute charge. In my testing, the battery estimates were pretty accurate. Connectivity-wise, these feature Bluetooth 6.0, which is actually cutting edge. Pairing was instant. I opened the case and they showed up on my phone immediately. The connection was rock solid during my testing with no drops or stuttering. Alright, here's my final verdict. The OpenRock eAir Conduction Earbuds are an excellent entry-level option for open-ear audio. At just $50, they offer incredible value with features like Bluetooth 6.0, AI noise cancellation for calls, great battery life, and a super comfortable design. Are they perfect? Actually not. The base is limited and they won't satisfy audiophiles. But they do exactly what they're designed to do: keep you comfortable, aware, and entertained during workouts and daily activities. For the price, I think these are a fantastic option if you understand what open-ear earbuds are about. If you're curious about the open-ear experience, or you're a runner, cyclist, or gym goer who values safety and comfort, I definitely recommend giving these a shot. For $50, it's a pretty low risk to see if this style works for you. You can grab the OpenRock E and get 15% discount using my code. I'll drop links in the description below. That's it for today's OpenRock E review. What do you think about open-ear earbuds? Are you team in-ear or team open-ear? Let me know in the comments below. If this review helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out!